The topic for today is RTX 3090 GPU performance in Revit. Let's start with 3D drafting and draw some walls. Here you can see there is a bare minimum use of a graphics card in drafting mode. Next, do some zooming and rotating in drawing. Here also you can see in zoom and rotation that the graphics card is not fully utilized. Let's test the graphics performance with ray tracing mode. So here you can see CPU utilization is at a maximum, but the GPU utilization is at a minimum. Let's close the ray tracing mode. Next we do some rendering. Click on the rendering tool. Click on settings. Select high. Click on render. So here you can see CPU utilization is at a maximum, but the GPU utilization is at a minimum. Let's open hardware settings and options. Here you can see the NVIDIA RTX 3090 is used as a GPU, and the status is showing as untested. Click OK. So in this test it concluded that if you are using Revit for 3D modeling purposes, then investing in a best quality CPU is more important than investing in a costly GPU. Like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icon for more interesting topics.